Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the very important topic. What is data leakage? Why is it dangerous? How to prevent data leakage? Yes, data leakage happens when confidential or sensitive information is exposed to unauthorized people, intentionally or accidentally. It's not always hacking. Sometimes it's just carelessness. Sending an email to the wrong person, uploading private files to the public cloud storage, losing a laptop without encryption, employees copying company data to personal devices. That is data leakage. There are three common types: accidental leakage, malicious leakage, system leakage when security is weak. Okay, how to prevent data leakage? Use strong password and multi-factor authentication, encrypt devices, restrict employee access, backup data securely. Remember, cyber attacks are dangerous. Sometimes the biggest risk is human error. Once your data leaks, you can't take it back. So stay secure and see you in the next video.